Is this stream live?
Let me check. No, it's not live. Data is not sending.
Actually, the live chat and all the things are visible over here. I don't know
On
particularly.
the on the app it's visible, right?
Yeah.
Let me verify once.
Currently, one viewer.
Okay. Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, it's visible.
It is live, right?
Yeah, it's live. Live. It's live. Welcome guys, welcome to the stream.
Yeah. Welcome to the stream, guys.
Yeah, it's visible.
It is live, right?
Yes. Yes, sure. It's live. It's live.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can just go with the resume, first resume. Just one tha.
Yeah. Just let me set it up. Okay. So, welcome to the stream, guys. We are actually live from many days. I'm extremely sorry for that because we really got up caught with some work. So I think mm, mhm. Okay. So I think we should begin, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Voice is audible in the stream. Have you checked it?
Yeah. I have also checked that part. It's audible.
Okay, great. So let us begin. We'll review
Yep.
the first resume. So this is actually from Bala Sumanta Nandala. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, 1 minute, guys. Okay. So this is from Bala Suman Mandala. Here, new viewers, if you want to actually review your resume, the link is in the description. Uh, should I actually give the link, Shubham?
Yeah, in the chat you can pin that link.
Yeah, I think that would be better. Just 2 minutes, guys.
So it is more convenient from them to open it. Got it?
Mhm. Okay, so this is the link. I'll also paste the Telegram channel link. Wait a minute. Okay, so link must be visible to everyone, right?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So let us begin with the review. Here, Bala Sumant has actually mentioned a career objective section. Okay, good thing to mention, but just make sure it is precise and it's having some action words. Okay, so that is important. The next, mm, professional experience is mentioned over here, which is only one experience. Okay, great. I mentioned the experience in Python full stack developer training at coding none. Okay, great. For this particular timeline, what you have to do is take this timeline over here, as all the timelines of your resume are here. Okay, so just make sure it is in one line. So that is the thing. Then your resume is actually two-paged, which should not be the case. Okay, so just make sure your resume is one-paged and it will work for you. Next, you have also mentioned the education section. Here, okay, it is mentioned in a good way. Then technical skills, certifications, internships. For internships, this should be actually mentioned in the professional experience itself. Okay, so just don't make separate sections for this one. And for projects, okay, you have mentioned four projects. Mhm. Okay, great. So what you have to do is just make sure your resume is one page at the end, because that is important. And Shubham, here some error is actually visible.
Yes,
YouTube
yes.
is not receiving
Which is
YouTube is not receiving enough data. I don't know why. So let it be.
this is yeah, from my end it's working good. It's maybe the issue of bitrate, but it's okay. It's fine.
Okay,
It's
okay,
not the big issue.
okay. We'll continue.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
as I said, timeline should be mentioned on the right side. Then web development, web scraping, full stack developer, development, database management. So this should not be the word like mentioning things, way of mentioning things. What you should do is maintain four bullet points, max to max, and just quantify them. Okay, quantification is necessary. Write in numbers, like due to this, you're working in this particular project or company, like what particular percentage changed, so that you can mention. Numbers are important in your resume, so make sure to include that. Then education section is mentioned. Okay, great. So as I said, just make your resume short. Overall, it is a good resume. And for project section, just try to reduce one project, because four projects are like very great in number. Okay. So if you want to mention four projects, just make sure the bullet points are in less number. Okay. Just make the changes accordingly and you are good to go. Next, for the interest field, there is no need of this field. And declaration, this also no need. This also no need. And last, at the end, no sign is required. So don't mention all these things. The recruiter at the end doesn't care like what are your interests and declaration, etc. So that is not necessary. Only mention the things necessary, like sections necessary are professional experience, education, technical skills, certifications and achievements. Then internships, as I told, you have to mention in experience only, and project section. So that is what is important. Okay. So quantification is necessary. Some improvements are necessary. Just make sure to improve these things, and you are good to go. So yeah, that's all for Bala Suman. So new viewers are actually arriving. Anyone want to review their resume? You can submit it on the link. It is pinned in the chat. Okay, just fill in and just make sure to mention your name in the live chat itself so we can review it right away. So there was also a
You guys
query.
can also ask the question.
Yeah. So now, like two of them have actually submitted their resumes. Aditya Navle and Said
Yeah.
Khalid or Rahman. Okay. So we'll check your
Okay.
resume.
Got
No, no problem.
it.
Said and Aditya. Just show your
Yeah.
presence in the
First.
chat and like this stream. Yes, Shubham.
Yeah. That is important. Make sure the guys like the stream, and also if you have any question in terms of like any educational, you wanted like career related questions or the job update related questions, you guys can ask in the chat, because your chat present is very important in this particular conversation. I hope you understand. Okay.
Yeah.
You can go with the first resume, sure, which is now updated. Yeah. So Ghost, name Sudeep. Sudeep, resume. Can you have the Sudeep resume? He's arrived in the chat, so you can directly take him resume. If you,
Uh,
yeah, Sudeep, take Sudeep first.
yeah, yeah, yeah. So what I'll do
Yeah.
is
Okay. Thank you so much, Sudeep, for
actually I'll pause
yeah,
the screen because YouTube doesn't allow personal details to be visible. Okay. So just a minute.
yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No issue. Aditya is also there. Okay.
Yeah, we'll check
So
your resume after
yeah.
Shirish
Thank you guys for coming. Yeah.
Just a minute, guys. Just I'll
Let's go, guys. Like the
yes.
stream. Let's aim for the 5 likes. And right now, because the 5 people are watching, so 5 likes needs to be there. Let's go. Aditya, Sudeep, let's go for like.
Mm, okay. So this is from Sudeep. Just a minute, guys.
Give a second, guys. We have to hide the information of the persons. Okay. Yep.
So yeah. Okay.
Yep. Yeah, we can
Screen
go.
visible, right?
Let me check. Let me check.
I think it's visible. Mm,
Yeah, it's visible. It's
okay.
visible.
So this is for Sauradip Ghosh actually. I was actually saying Sudeep. Okay, it's
Hmm.
okay. So here he have mentioned education section with 8.25 CGPA. Okay. So sectioning is actually not proper, Sauradip. What you have to do is check out this formatting particularly. Timeline is mentioned good. Just try to mention the month as well. Next, this achievement and certification section, it should actually come at the end of your resume. Okay. So this is not important. that much important. And if you have to mention these things like hackathon top 25 winner of code, what you can do is mention in the heading itself. So that will be also a great way to present yourself. Next, for experience and open source work, you have mentioned in bullet points. Okay, that's great. Skill section is also good. Okay, so I'm not going into much details. Experience section, you have to mention the bullet points, and thing is that while mentioning it, quantification is necessary, no matter what. Okay, number should come in the bullet points. That is important. Next, here, the next mentorship. So, okay, we have worked at a hyperledger thing. It is related to
In the
blockchain, right?
blockchain side.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
Then open source, remote, great work, parametrics. Okay, great. Just try to quantify this. Quantification is very much important because at the end, machine will check your resume, not a human. So it is important that numbers should be present in the bullet points. Okay, number in the sense like for example, due to this working on this particular project, this percent of change has been occurred. So that thing you have to mention. That is important. Okay, then
Yes. So Shubham, I would like to mention one thing. There are more than 10 people are watching and our like is 2. It's not equivalent. So guys,
yeah,
let's aim for the 10 likes and then we'll go for another resume. Okay. So let's go guys. Let's go.
yeah, guys, that is important. Liking this team is very much important. Okay,
Yes. Yeah, you can go.
yeah. So we have also mentioned the project section. Okay, great. Your resume is actually quite good, but only thing needed is formatting and some quantification. Okay. So here you have also mentioned the projects. While mentioning projects, have you embedded the links for the projects? Just give the project link and also the demo. What you do is give an YouTube link over here itself, and that is more than enough. And here also, I actually forgot to mention the things like these usernames. Don't mention it directly, just embed the links in particular word and then mention it. So that will be much more readable as well, and it will also save your space which you can utilize later. Yeah, that is good. Hmm, experience section, project section, certifications, achievement section. As I told, this section should actually come over here. And yeah, that is more than enough then. If you want to write a professional summary, you can also write it, but that is not much of importance. So if you have not mentioned it, it is also okay. Okay then, overall it is a good resume. Just make sure to work on your formatting particularly. You have also highlighted the skills, so that is also more readable, which actually enhances the looks. Okay. For your information, guys, an average recruiter actually spends around 7 seconds to view your resume. So make sure the thing that while presenting your resume, each and everything should be visible and crisp. Okay. And along with that, ATS scores also matters. So first step to actually pass on your resume is pass through the ATS test. So then only the recruiter can view your resume. So that is important.
Yes.
So yeah. These are all the things for Sorodip Ghosh. If you have any questions, you can ask in the chat itself. Okay.
Yeah. So Shubham, our next resume is Aditya. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
first
Aditya
one.
Navle, right? Yeah. Got it. I'll just pause the screen for some time.
Yeah.
Just
Guys,
wait.
we are only left five likes to complete them. Like guys. Meantime, just like and let's go for 300 3K subscribers today. Let's hit it.
Yeah. Subscribing the channel. You can consider subscribing.
Anyone new?
There are actually many DMs nowadays. So for I'll actually show Sauradeep. There is one thing that I want to tell you. Wait a minute. I think yeah, everything is clear. Okay. So this particular thing I was saying, Sauradeep, you have to embed your links over here in this manner. Okay. Only the platform name should be visible and your username will be embedded in this itself. So that will be more of a use and it will actually help in ATS score improvement. Okay. And one more thing that don't include these vector images in your resumes because these cause your ATS to go down. Okay. So just don't mention them. Yeah, it is linked, uh, Sauradeep, but I want it to stay in a particular name. Like it should not be like your full username should be visible on the page itself. Okay, that causes your ATS to go score to go down. How? It actually comes in the repetitive thing. Okay, your some of the usernames may be same, so that comes under repetitive thing, and it gradually decreases your ATS score. Okay, so that is the thing. Next, this is for Aditya Navli. Aditya, any questions you want to ask, you can ask in the chat itself. Also, anyone who is present, you can ask your questions. So let us begin. Here, as I told Aditya, this section is good. No need to make the change in this heading section particularly. Then your education section is mentioned. Good thing. Here, while mentioning months, try to mention the months in full spelling. Like don't write NOV for November. Write it in full spelling November. And here also for June itself, JUNE. So that is important. No need to mention the location here. You can mention your location here itself in the description thing. Okay, because this will also come under repetitive thing. Words should not actually repeat your in your resume. That will cause the ETS score go down. Next, you have mentioned CGPA. Good. Okay. Okay. Then percentage in percentage mentioned. Good. There may be some other education too, I think, or like your 10th standard. You have to mention that as well because all the educations that you have done should be mentioned because it actually shows if there are any gaps in your education and that is important. Okay, so mention the remaining part also. Then experience section is good. Mm, two bullet points are mentioned. Try to write four bullet points and in quantified manner. In every resume, I say quantification is necessary. So just quantify it developer, okay, all these things are good. Make sure to change this also, November thing. Then technical skills are mentioned. Okay, Express.js, MySQL. Okay, great. This section is great. You can try to add more skills over here, okay, because these skills are not enough to get shortlisted. Actually, I'll tell you how to get shortlisted also. Next, for project section, okay, here four to five bullet points are mentioned. Tech stack is mentioned. No need to mention the tech stack as you have mentioned in the technical skills. Okay, so don't mention this here also. No need to mention this. Just write four to five bullet points and just quantify them, and you are good to go. Next, achievements, accomplishments. Okay, great. Try to add the certificates also. If you have any certifications over here, you can try to add their links also. That will be of great help to the recruiter as well. And next, coursework, relevant coursework. This section should actually be below the education section. Okay, this should not come at the end. Okay, just make sure to take this upwards and try to add more coursework like in your engineering, like you are doing engineering in computer science, right? So there are many things that you can mention, like you have mentioned DSC, DBMS, OOPS. Okay, so those all things you have to mention. Try to add two, three more. Okay, and last, you have mentioned the hobbies section. This is not important. Don't mention this section. So yeah, you can actually save some space over here and try to improve all that over here. So your resume already remains one page, so it is quite good. And yeah, these are all the improvements for your resume. Okay, if any questions, you can ask in the chat itself. So the next resume actually, someone submitted it here.
Uh, yeah, some submitted but not active in the chat. So, can you please tell me the name? Can you please show?
It is
Said, right?
Saidia.
Yeah. Hello, Said. If you are like available, active, you can show your presence in the chat so that we can interact with you. And one more thing, guys, let's go for 10 likes. Okay. 10 likes are very important. You just need to double tap on the screen, and that's it. That's it.
Yeah,
Like we
and
are
guys,
also get motivated to complete all of the resume. Yeah.
yeah, and there is actually link in the chat itself. If you want to submit your resumes, you can submit over there. And Telegram channel link is also mentioned. Just make sure to join it because some of the updates are provided there. Okay, so just make sure to check out the Telegram channel, and it is important in future. There are many updates upcoming. Okay, and we are like your type of guys, right? We have also gone through the same phase that you must be going right now. In because I am reading the comments, I will show you actually. Like, look, here this person has mentioned why it is hard for freshers to get a job nowadays. Okay, so we know all these things. That's why you can actually connect with us. Okay, we are always available for your help. Mm, so is Said live actually?
Hi.
Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Like we were asking,
Yeah. Hello. Just let me know in the chat, guys, if I am actually audible, because there was some issue over here. And make sure to join the Telegram channel, as I said. Link is in the live chat itself. You can check that out too. And we will begin with the next resume. Okay. Just wait for some time and we'll begin with the next resume. I'm actually in the VC somewhere. Mm, okay, great. Is there anyone else who want to review their resume? If you want to review, just submit it on the pinned link. Okay. अगर आपको दूसरी लैंग्वेज में भी बताना है तो वो लैंग्वेज में भी बता सकते हैं हम, हिंदी इंग्लिश में. Just wait for some time, guys. It is actually वो काफी दिनों बाद स्ट्रीम एक्चुअली लाइव हुई है. That's why it is going tough over here. Okay, so Faizan has submitted the resume. Faizan, if you want to ask any questions, you can ask. If Said is present, we will proceed with Said's resume in some time. I'll just download the Faizan's resume. Okay, just wait for some time. Yes, yes. Faizan, just 2 minutes. We actually have to hide the personal details as YouTube doesn't allow it, and it actually restricts the stream. So that's why I download it. Just hide the personal details. Okay. Mm, So, what is the current update, guys? Like, just let me know in the live chat itself, like, what are you doing right now? What are the challenges that you are facing? Okay. Yeah. So now personal details are done. Okay. So consider subscribing the channel also, guys. You can check out the channel for more updates. So let us begin. This is for MD Faizan. I think College of Engineering. Okay. 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 I think you have made your resume in Canva, I think. So here, this section should be improved. These vector images should not be included. That is important. I'll actually give you one resume template because You have to improve your resume a lot. Mention the expertise. Okay, this is the skill section. All the things are not in that descriptive manner. The font size is also not similar. Okay, so each and everything in your resume should actually go under a flow. That is important. So what I'll prefer you is Faizan, just make another resume because this resume won't give you any job. Okay, I would like to tell you directly. Just check out resume like something like this. This one is also, yeah, this Saurabh coach resume is also good. Just check this out. This is also good from Aditya only. Okay. So in particular manner, these are these are all the sections that you should mention and in this particular format. So that is important because for this resume, as I can see, maybe this resume is also, yeah, it is an image, I think. It may be an image file. So images are not scanned under ATS. ATS directly rejects the images thing. So make sure just make your resume in this particular format, which is very good actually, and you are good to go. If you want the resume template, just you can DM me on the Telegram itself. Telegram link is mentioned. I think I cannot pin two messages, but you can find the link in the live chat itself. Just scroll sometime and you will get the Telegram link. Over there you can DM me. Okay, got it, Faizan? And this letter of recommendation, don't mention this in the resume itself. It is good for offline mentioning. In resume, only resume is important. And for letter of recommendation, what you can do is this you can submit in the cover letter option while submitting for particular job description. Okay, so just make sure to make a new resume itself. It will not require much time. Around 2 to 3 hours, you are good to go. Okay, got it, Faizan? So if anyone want to submit their resume, you can actually submit it. Link is in the pinned comments. Mm, if there are any questions from your side, you can ask it to guys. Okay, we'll actually try to answer some of the comments here itself. Yeah, Faizan, definitely. Mm, so this was the question: why it is hard for freshers to get a job nowadays? So understanding from the current job market, like current job market is not that good. There are many people that would say that job market is good, but I would still say that it is not good actually. Because why? Uh, Companies are like mm, they are posting the hirings, but they are actually not hiring. Okay, so that is the case, and this is just from their side to show the investors like अभी फिलहाल हम मार्केट में प्रेजेंट है और कंटिन्यूअस हायरिंग कर रहे हैं तो ये वो दिखाना चाहते हैं अपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए अपने स्टेक होल्डर्स या डायरेक्टर्स को जिससे कि उनकी जो पोजीशन है मार्केट में बनी रहे ओके सो फ्रेशर्स का अभी फ़िलहाल तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुश्किल है, एंड एक पर्टिकुलर अप्लाइंग मेथड से ही आप जॉब क्रैक कर सकते हो, विच इज़ रियली इम्पोर्टेंट। एटलीस्ट अभी मतलब एक मंथ में एटलीस्ट आपके कम से कम एक 3 से 4 और इंटरव्यूज एक्चुअली शेड्यूल होने चाहिए। ओके, 3 से 4 इंटरव्यूज, सो दैट इज़ वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट। भले आप कौन से ही बैच के हो, बट 3 से 4 इंटरव्यूज शेड्यूल होने चाहिए। एंड या दैट इज इट। देन check my resume if it fits for my stack. There are many questions actually. When I apply to any company, I am getting automatically rejected mail. So please check it out. So yeah, ATS पर काम करने की ज़रूरत है, ये जो भी है। तो apply for front end developer role. ओके, सीडैक किया है भाई रिसेंटली 2024 में। ऐसे बहुत का है, जॉब देने वाला कहाँ मिलेगा? अगर तुम्हारे पास जॉब हो तो बताओ भाई। हाँ, मेरे पास अगर कोई पोस्टिंग आती है तो मैं आपको ज़रूर से अपडेट तो कर ही दूंगा। चैनल पर ये सारी चीज़ें तो आती रहती है, ठीक है। बट फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन, लाइक जो भी अभी प्रेजेंट है लाइव स्ट्रीम में, टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करना बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। जस्ट मेक श्योर टू ज्वाइन इट। नेक्स्ट, वही शॉर्ट लिस्ट नहीं हो रहा है आफ्टर इवन एडिंग द करेक्ट कीवर्ड्स इन द रेज्यूमे। वाई? रेज्यूमे आपके बनाने के बाद भी आप शॉर्टलिस्ट होने के चांसेस कम होते हैं। क्यों बताऊँ मैं? क्योंकि एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन के लिए आपको पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मेट में ही अप्लाई करना पड़ता है। व्हाट इज ओके सेइंग? आई मैसेज यू ऑन टेलीग्राम, काइंडली चेक इट। और यस भाई, फैजान भाई, राइट। आपका आपको मैं टेम्पलेट दे दूंगा, जस्ट मेक श्योर कि टेलीग्राम पर मैसेज करके रख देना। या आपका मैसेज रिसीव हुआ है, मैं रिप्लाई कर दूंगा थोड़ी देर में, ठीक है। ओके, रिव्यू दिस। एक्चुअली यहाँ पर 400 से ज़्यादा रेज्यूमेज अपडेट हुए हैं, सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी बिग नंबर एक्चुअली। सो वी आर रिव्यूइंग ऑल दिस रेज्यूमेज। जैसे हमें टाइम मिलता है हम एक एक करके सभी रेज्यूमेज लेने वाले हैं, ठीक है। और जो भी इस चैनल पर है अभी प्रेजेंट, आप क्या करो, जो भी मैंने सजेशंस दिए हैं वो चेंजेस करो, और चेंजेस करने के बाद फिर से रेज्यूमे सबमिट करो, फिर एक बार आपका रिव्यू करेंगे। ओके। और मेरा टेलीग्राम पर सीधा कांटेक्ट भी अवेलेबल है, वहाँ पर से आप सीधा डीएम कर सकते हैं मुझे। इसका नहीं किया था, ये मैनेजमेंट करना काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है एक्चुअली। और किसी को रेज्यूमे रिव्यू करना है, यू कैन सबमिट योर रेज्यूमे। कोई क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं वो भी आप पूछ सकते हैं, ठीक है। हम्म,
And one more thing, Shubham.
या
Am I audible?
यस यस
Guys, guys, let's go for 10 likes, guys. Let's go, let's go.
यस, लाइकिंग द वीडियो इज
Yeah.
इम्पोर्टेंट।
यस गाइस, यस, क्योंकि मेन बात क्या है कि देखो, एक एस्पेक्ट बताता हूँ। आप लाइक करेंगे, आप शेयर करेंगे, तो और लोगों को ये स्ट्रीम रिकमेंड होगी। ओके, देन नए नए क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, और वो क्वेश्चंस आपको भी हेल्प करेंगे आपके करियर में। ओके, So liking stream is very, very important. Please make sure like it and drop your resume and drop the like as well.
I'll just share the link on Telegram.
Yeah, like the stream link, like
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. I thought you did it.
No, I actually forgot it, but yeah, no problem. हम्म, ठीक है. ओके. सो किसी को भी अगर अपना रेज्यूमे रिव्यू करना है, जस्ट लिंक है वहाँ पर, भेज सकते हैं आप. और एक बार चैट में अपडेट कर देना कि आपका रेज्यूमे सबमिट किया है करके आपने. जस्ट मिनट गाइस. हेलो.
हाँ बोल ना. काय करतोय?
स्ट्रीम इज लाइव.
Yep.
So yeah, any new viewer, you can actually submit your resume. I'm seeing this all in all. यहाँ पर when I apply to any company, I am getting, ये हुआ था check resume भाई, shortlist नहीं हो रहा है after reading the correct keywords in the resume. Why? So keywords का मैं बता रहा था, right? So keywords का क्या सीन होता है कि वो एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन पर मतलब उसका सारा चीज़ रहता है कि आप किस प्रकार से उस स्किल्स को आपके स्किल सेक्शन में मेंशन करते हैं, और वो दोनों तरफ मैच होने चाहिए while applying in your resume also and while the job description उनके रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से वो मैच होना चाहिए. तो ये दो चीज़ें होती है. Then review resume of ATS compliance, provide feedback and assign a score. स्कोर तो आपको मिल जाएगा ऑनलाइन कहीं पर भी, वहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं. बट इम्प्रूवमेंट अगर स्कोर में करनी है तो जो चेंजेस मैं बताऊंगा वो करने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है. देन आई एम लुकिंग फॉर डेटा एनालिस्ट जॉब. Completed my graduation. Completed my graduation. I'm daily applying all opportunities, but my resume was not shortlisting. You're making this every time. डिप्रेशन में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट सीन क्या है मैं देखो आपको बताता हूँ. जॉब सीकर को आपका रेज्यूमे मिलना आज की डेट में इम्पोर्टेंट है. आपका रेज्यूमे अच्छा होना तो इम्पोर्टेंट है, बट वो जॉब सीकर तक पहुंचना ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. क्योंकि आजकल आप रेज्यूमे कितना भी अच्छा बनाओ, बट वो अगर जॉब सीकर के पास पहुंचेगा ही नहीं तो इट इज़ ऑफ नो इम्पोर्टेंस, राइट. तो इसके लिए आपको आपका रेज्यूमे एक मशीन के लाइक स्कैनर से आपको वो रेज्यूमे पास करना कराना है. फॉर दैट थिंग You have to actually improve it a lot. और इम्प्रूवमेंट इन द सेंस आपको मशीन को पागल बनाना है बस, ठीक है। एक बार मशीन पागल बन गई, उसके बाद आपका रिज्यूमे चला जाएगा रिक्रूटर के पास, फिर रिक्रूटर एट द एंड देखेगा ही, ठीक है। एंड अगर आपके स्किल्स और जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन अच्छे से मैच हो रहा है तो आपका इंटरव्यू भी शेड्यूल हो सकता है। अभी पिछली कुछ दिनों की बात है, एक लड़का था, मैंने इस पर भी शेयर किया था टेलीग्राम पर। उसने एक्चुअल में उसका रेज्यूमे शेड्यूल हुआ लाइक फॉर एन एमएनसी। तो उसने काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट्स किए थे एक्चुअली। ओके, सो दैट थिंग यू हैव टू डू। स्किल भले ही आपको बेसिक आए, बट वो आपको ठीक से मेंशन करना आना चाहिए, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट। राइट शुभम, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू ऐड दिस?
या आई मीन लाइक स्किल्स, देखो स्किल्स बहुत लोगों के पास है। और अगर स्पेसिफिकली बात की जाए इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड की, तो बहुत सारे स्किल्स है लोगों के पास, प्रोजेक्ट भी है। बस आपको उसको प्रेजेंट करना आना चाहिए, ठीक है। और प्रेजेंट कैसे करोगे? रिज्यूमे के थ्रू करोगे, राइट। तो उसकी फॉर्मेटिंग कैसी होती है, उसका उसके कीवर्ड्स कैसे लिखे जाते हैं, उसके प्रोजेक्ट सेक्शन में प्रोजेक्ट का लिंक, गिटअप का लिंक कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, आपका लीड कोड का स्कोर, या फिर आपके लिंक्डइन के जो प्रोफाइल है वहां पे चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट कौन सी करना इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट। In terms of hiring or in terms of showing off your skills are very very important. Okay, so make sure कि आप जनरलाइज चीजें नहीं कर रहे। मेकिंग एंड साइनिंग ऐप, अगर आईटी फील्ड में हो तो वो मत करो, उसका टाइम था और वो चला गया। अभी कुछ अलग करो, हटके करो, ठीक है। तभी जाके आपको मतलब किसी की नजर में आओगे। और डेफिनेटली एक एक चीज ध्यान में रखो कि आपको भीड़ से अलग बनना है। भीड़ से अलग बनोगे तो डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली कि किसी के ना किसी की आप पे नजर जरूर पड़ेगी, ठीक है। भले आपके पास स्किल हो ना हो, बात वो है ही नहीं। आपको भीड़ से अलग बनना है। एआई है, एआई के बारे में सीखो, उसको इम्प्लीमेंट करो। डरने से ज्यादा सीख लो, ओके। सीख के छोड़ दो उसको, नई टेक्नोलॉजी आएगी उससे भी डरना नहीं है, सीखना है, सीख के छोड़ना है, ठीक है। तो हाँ वही है कि सीख लो और आगे बढ़ो।
यस।
यस। और पीपी को सब्सक्राइब करो और लाइक करो,
हाँ।
क्योंकि जो सर्विस हम यूट्यूब पे बेच रहे हैं या फिर दे रहे हैं, वो बाकी लोग पेमेंट लेके करते हैं, ये देखा है हमने। And we gone through this phase from just in this year we have passed out from our uh, engineering, and we faced this phase, okay. The hiring, the recession, the job interviews, एमएनसी कंपनीज का फेक जॉब पोस्टिंग करना, वो सब कुछ फेस किया है हमने। बट इन सभी के थ्रू जॉब कैसे क्रैक करना है, वो हमने को अच्छे तरीके से हमने वो समझ लिया। और उसके बाद ये देखा कि बहुत लोग इस ट्रैप में अभी भी है, उनको निकालने का काम डेफिनेटली हम जरूर करेंगे। तो इसलिए सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
Yep.
तो या अभी ज़्यादा देर स्ट्रीम वैसे भी करने नहीं वाले हम, देखते हैं व्यूवर्स के ऊपर कि किसी और को रेज्यूमे रिव्यू करना है तो कर देंगे। ओके, सो इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट टू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल गाइस, क्योंकि आगे जाकर हम काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट्स लाने वाले हैं। जैसे कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स वगैरह इस चैनल पर आती है, ठीक है। हम इन कांटेक्ट भी है काफ़ी सारे लोगों से, और कुछ बनाने की भी एक्चुअली कोशिश कर रहे हैं जिससे कि आपकी हेल्प हो टोटली। अगर समझो आपके पास एक पर्टिकुलर जॉब ना भी हो ना, तो भी आपको फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए, इस चीज़ का भी हम ख्याल रख रहे हैं। तो कुछ दिनों में वो चीज़ आ भी जाएगी।
इट विल बी सून, इट विल बी सून, ओके। एंड देखो गाइज, एक एक चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ठीक है आपने ट्वेल्थ करी होगी, ठीक है, आपने इंजीनियरिंग भी करी होगी, ठीक है, कुछ लोगों ने डिप्लोमा भी करा होगा, मेरे जैसा डिप्लोमा करके इंजीनियरिंग में एडमिशन लिया होगा और इंजीनियरिंग कंप्लीट भी हो गई। यहाँ तक पार्ट ठीक है, बट दो चीजें, एजेंडा आपका कंपनी में जाना या फिर जॉब करना नहीं होना चाहिए। जॉब करना, इट्स 9 to 5 शिफ्ट, कितना ग्रो करोगे उसमें, राइट? बट हाँ, एक्सपीरियंस लेना बहुत जरूरी है, वहां सीखना बहुत जरूरी है। काम सीखने के लिए टाइम इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ता है। हर हर चीज को, जॉब को, अपनी पोजीशन को, मिली हुई आपकी जो कंपनी में इंटर्न की पोजीशन है उसको एक लर्निंग एस्पेक्ट की तरह देखो, मनी की तरह नहीं। अगर उस हिसाब से सोच रखोगे तो फिर आपका जो सीकिंग माइंड है, लर्निंग माइंड है, वो कभी एक्टिव नहीं होगा, ठीक है?
बिल्कुल
उसके लिए एक चीज हमेशा एक करो कि उसके आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचो, और उसी को खोलने के लिए हमने एक प्लेटफॉर्म ला रहे हैं, और वो विल बी सून होगा अपने यहाँ पे।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल शुभम, काफ़ी ज़्यादा चीज़ें एक्चुअली पेंडिंग है कुछ दिनों में। मतलब वर्क तो चालू है सभी पर, बट ड्यू टू आर बिजी शेड्यूल आप भी देख सकते हो कि हम रेगुलर स्ट्रीम भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं। तो वही रीज़न है। बट यार जो भी चीज़ आएगी ना, वो मार्केट में तहलका मचा देगी, ये तो फिक्स है। ठीक है। सो आई थिंक शुभम, वी शुड एंड दिस टीम।
Conclude the session.
या
Okay. Okay, sure, sure. So can you please check once the telegram, if you receive the some of the messages, then we are good to go. I just felt like there no need to be the, like, so uh, they are saying like message you on the telegram. Could you check it?
या
Okay, okay, got it. So yeah, we can go for the conclude the stream.
या अगर हो सके तो शाम को भी आएंगे, अगर टाइम मिला तो। कंफर्म तो नहीं बता सकते। ठीक है। सो जस्ट मेक श्योर टू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड लाइक दिस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रीम। और स्ट्रीम एक बार फिर से देख लो अगर आपको कोई डाउट है रिगार्डिंग जो भी रेज्यूमे हमने रिव्यू किया है, उसमें से आपको कुछ इंसाइट्स भी मिल सकती है। ठीक है। सो या दैट्स ऑल, गाइस, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।